In this video, I'll show you how to use nearby sharing in Windows 11. Nearby sharing is a built-in feature that lets you quickly share files, photos, links, and other content with nearby Windows devices using Bluetooth or Wi-Fi. Let's get started. First, make sure nearby sharing is enabled on both the sending and receiving devices. To do this, click the Start button and open Settings. In the Settings window, select System from the left-hand menu. Scroll down and click on Nearby Sharing. You'll see two options: My Devices Only and Everyone Nearby. Choose the option that best fits your needs. If you want to share files with any nearby Windows device, select Everyone Nearby. Once selected, Nearby Sharing is enabled and your device will become discoverable to other nearby devices. Now close the Settings window. Next, locate the file you want to share. In this example, we'll share an image file. Right-click the file and select Share from the context menu. The Windows Share window will open and begin searching for nearby devices with Nearby Sharing enabled. When the device you want to share with appears in the list, click on it.